How are you? How are you finding Dubai?
I am finding Dubai to be so amazing and the people are so warm and welcoming. I'm loving it.
So, when you come to Dubai, what's the first thing you do?
I actually wanted to see the Burj Khalifa, but I rested and had a good time at the hotel first. First attending Saima and then going to see the Burj Khalifa tomorrow.
Amazing. Is there any specific cuisine which you want to try here?
So I definitely want to try the Lebanese food. I've heard it's really good. And I come from Lucknow, so I have those tastes for the tunde kebab. So I'm going to try the
Amazing.
tunde here as well.
I'm sure you'll find one of the best food here.
Yes.
And what are you wearing? You look fabulous.
Thank you so much. I'm wearing this outfit by Masumi Memuwala, and she is an amazing designer. She was styling us for the Hyderabad nomination party as well. So, thank you, Masumi Memuwala. You're so good.
Yeah, it's fabulous. And welcome to Saima. Hope you have a great time here. Thank you. You look ravishing. What are you wearing today?
This is local designer from here, Dubai, and Ihab Jaris is his name. So it's a label from this place. Yeah.
Amazing. So, whenever you come to Dubai, what's the first thing you do?
Right now, every time I come here, it's just Saima. So most of the time I've come to Dubai is mostly for Saima. So Saima is the first thing that comes to my mind when I think of Dubai.
Amazing. So, what's your favorite genre of movies like to work on?
I really like romantic comedy. Rom-com is my all-time favorite. Other than that, thrillers and drama.
What are your upcoming projects? Would you like to spill some beans?
I'm right now working on Sardar 2 with Karthi sir in Tamil. We've almost finished shooting.
Amazing.
Yeah, and Vishwambara, I play a very special role in it with
we are looking
Megastar.
forward to that.
Yeah, I'm also looking forward for it. And in Kannada also there is one film called Gatavaibhava. So there are a couple of films that's lined up.
We look forward for that. Amazing. Welcome to Saima and hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank you. Thank you.
You wearing today?
So this is basically my friend's design.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's Mega Kapoor.
So, how are you finding Dubai?
Amazing. I feel, Saima is one of the reasons I always tend to come to Dubai, and I feel it's a vibe.
Yeah, definitely. And what's the first thing you do when you come to Dubai? Or you want to do?
Oh, the first thing what I want to do in Dubai? That's a question because what you don't want to do in Dubai?
Absolutely. So, are you a food lover?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. So, which cuisine would you like to try here? Or what's your favorite cuisine?
Dubai has the best cuisines in the world. Like the quality of the food is amazing. I would say Turkish.
I'm sure you'll find one of the best Turkish cuisine here. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing ones.
So, have a wonderful evening. Hope you have a great time here.
Thank you so much.
So, what's the best part of Dubai?
It's the best part, shopping. Yeah.
And what's your favorite cuisine when you come here?
I'm vegan, so I find hard to survive wherever I go. But luckily, Dubai has many, many vegan restaurants, so I love that thing about Dubai.
Absolutely, you'll find here a lot of options. Yeah. And what are you wearing today? You look gorgeous.
I'm wearing this is Archita Narayan gown. She's a very famous designer from Hyderabad. Yeah. So yeah, with love, she's made this for me, and I'm feeling beautiful in this.
That's great. And what's your fitness regime? You look fabulous.
Well, again, same thing. I'm vegan. I'm very much into good food, and I don't eat after 7 p.m. Never. And
that's a
every
secret we got to know
every
about you.
yeah, and every single day I'm doing intermittent fasting from last 7 years, and I have ditched sugar completely from 6-7 years. No sugar at all, and I don't go to gym.
But
I
you do
just
all the hacks.
I just do yoga,
Life hacks.
meditation, and that's it.
So, what's your favorite, among all the southern movies, which language you prefer? What's your favorite?
Well, I come from Madhya Pradesh, so Hindi was my preferable language before, but since I'm in Telugu industry, so now I prefer South Indian movies, and it's always that South Indian movies make more sense. They're more sensible, obviously. So of course, when it comes to the content and the story, South Indian movies are always best.
So, any specific actor with whom you want to work in the future?
Well, I want to work with Junior NTR sir. I find him very, very charming.
Yes, he is.
You know, very, very, I don't know, very joyful. His dance moves, so graceful.
So you love dancing?
I love it. I love acting. I love dancing. Both.
Any specific director? You're like
For now, I think Rajmouli sir.
yeah.
In Hindi, I'm fond of Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir, and here I'm fond of Rajmouli sir.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So you have got the best taste among it.
Best.
Hopefully we see you in much more heights and wish you all the best. And welcome to Saima. You look ravishing. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing DL Maya today. So DL Maya is my friend and a great designer from Delhi. And this is my second year of Saima, and also I'm repeating her outfit. I mean, not repeating her outfit, but repeating
Yeah.
my designer because she's too good.
That's amazing. So how excited are you for this 13th edition of Saima?
See, it looks grand, it looks bigger than previous time always. I attended it last year, and I'm just excited to looking forward for the performances, for the winners, to congratulate them, and a nice time with my friends around.
That's wonderful. Have a wonderful time here and welcome to Saima.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So what are you wearing today? You look fabulous.
Thank you so much. I am wearing very, very comfortable palazzo pants and a crop top because I'd like to move around very nicely. I'm wearing Varun Chakila, styled by my dearest Akka Rajani.
Amazing, amazing. So when you come to Dubai, what's the first thing you want to do?
Peep out of the window because in Hyderabad, I don't think we have such high and tall. Yeah, so I'm a very curious person. వచ్చినప్పుడల్లా ఇలా కిటికీ బయట ఫేస్ పెట్టి బిల్డింగ్లన్నీ ఇలా చూస్తే ఓకే ఇట్స్ నైస్ అనుకుంటాను అంతే.
So next, ఎవరితో like whom with you would you like to work? అంటే
Well, I am a fan of good scripts, so I love interesting stories. ఇలా ఒకరితో పని చేయాలి వాళ్ళతో చేయాలి వీళ్ళతో చేయాలని కాకుండా I want to tell good stories. So I am manifesting and hoping that good stories come to me, so that when they come to me, it'll also go to the audience as well. So I'm really hoping for that.
okay, welcome to Saima and hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much.
You look ravishing. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Anusha Reddy.
That's amazing. You look lovely. So could you spill some beans on your upcoming projects?
Yes. There's a Tamil film that I'm looking forward to, but it has not been announced yet, so I won't talk much about it. But there's another film called Gurram Papi Reddy that I'm really looking forward to. Yeah, it should be releasing in the next month or so.
Amazing. So any dream projects you want to work with any specific director?
I don't know where to start with that. There are so many for sure. But definitely a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film is something I've been manifesting for a while now.
He's such a huge fan following you have here.
No, they're just, I think, very excited that their culture is here and their fraternity is here. I think that's very exciting.
So is your stardom overwhelming at times?
Is
Is your stardom overwhelming? Like you get so many fans bombarding everywhere.
no, stardom I don't think is overwhelming, but sometimes when things get out of hand, when it's not in your control, it gets a little bit like helplessness kicks in, but otherwise it's all love.
Great. Any one thing about Dubai which you love?
Clean roads. The clean roads.
Amazing. So welcome to Saima. Hope you have a wonderful time here. Hi, Saima में रौनक आ गई.
Thank you.
What are you wearing, ma'am? You look ravishing.
Thank you. I'm wearing this amazing couture by Dasha.
Amazing. You look ravishing and have a wonderful evening here.
Thank you.
So we all know you're a foodie. Dubai వచ్చినప్పుడు what's the first thing you want to try?
పని దుబాయ్ వచ్చిన ఫుడ్ గానా
food.
నేను ఎప్పుడు దుబాయ్ వచ్చినా ఫస్ట్ వెళ్ళి తినేది 5 గైస్ బర్గర్స్ అండి. సో ఐఎమ్ ఏ హ్యూజ్ 5 గైస్ బర్గర్స్ ఫ్యాన్. ఇండియాలో ఉండదు కాబట్టి నేను ఏమైనా వేరే దేశంకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అక్కడ దొరికిందంటే ఐ పిక్ ఇట్ అప్ ఫస్ట్.
దాట్స్ అమేజింగ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ధనుష్ గారితో మీ మూవీ వచ్చింది, సూపర్గా యాక్ట్ చేశారు మీరు. సో ఈజ్ దర్ ఎనీ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఇన్పుట్స్ విచ్ హీ గేవ్, బికాస్ వీ నో దట్ హీ ఈస్ లిటిల్ స్ట్రిక్ట్ విత్ ద వర్క్. సో హౌ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ దెమ్?
He was very particular and he is a very precise director, and also because he was directing the film, ఆయన ప్రతి విషయం ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఎలా కావాలి అని చాలా కాన్షియస్గా ప్లాన్ చేశారు. సో వీ వర్ గివెన్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పర్టిక్యులర్ ఇన్పుట్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ వాట్ మేక్స్ ఇట్ ఈవెన్ మోర్ టఫ్. బికాజ్ రెగ్యులర్గా వాట్ యూ ఫీల్ అండ్ డూ అంటే ఒకటి, బట్ ఆయన ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఏం కావాలని అడుగుతున్నారో అది చేసుకుంటూ ఫీల్ అవ్వడం వాజ్ అ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ as an actor.
So whenever you choose a script, what's the first thing you look in that?
నేను ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎదిగేటప్పుడు చిన్నప్పుడు ఏవో కొన్ని సినిమాలు చూసి ఇష్టపడి ఉంటాం, ఇలాంటి సినిమాలు మనం చేయాలనుకుని నాకు అనిపించిన ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ టైప్లో నాకు ఏమైనా ఒక సినిమానో పాత్రనో వచ్చినప్పుడు దాని మీద వెళ్తా. దాన్ని దాటి ఎప్పుడూ నా చాయిస్ డైరెక్టర్ బేస్డే ఉంటుంది. ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ హౌ క్లీన్ ద ఇంటెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ గో ఫర్. వాళ్ళు జెన్యూన్గా చాలా ప్యాషనెట్గా ఒక కథ చెప్పాలనుకున్నారంటే దట్స్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ చోజన్ టు బి.
Any specific director you want to work with? Ante dream project type.
A lot of people I want to work with right now. And how can I say one specific guy? Because I want to work with Sukumar Garu, Rajamouli Garu, with Lokesh again, hopefully soon. But yeah, bunch of filmmakers I want to be working with.
That's amazing. It's wonderful having you here, and welcome to Saima. Hope you have a wonderful time. So you are so fit. What's the secret behind that?
It's just 12 years of hardcore dedication, diet and working out.
So what's the special diet you follow?
High protein, low carbs, you know the works.
Yeah, true. And when you come to Dubai, what's the first thing you want to do?
I want to just check the city out, man. Every time you come here, there's something new to watch.
Absolutely.
It's so beautiful, it's so opulent. You see here, there's a beautiful Nazara. You see there, there's a beautiful Nazara.
Yeah.
This city is just full of beautiful landscapes and amazing skyline.
Amazing. So what's your favorite cuisine which you want to try here? Or what you usually try here?
Every time I come here, we have to go to Hafiz Mustafa and we have to have the kunafa, man. It is
Amazing.
so
Yeah.
beautiful. And you know, I can't afford too many desserts, but that's the one cheat meal. हाँ,
yeah.
इतना तो मैं save करके आता हूँ कि ये एक चीज़ तो खानी ही खानी है.
Amazing. That's amazing. Hope you have a wonderful time here. And welcome to Saima.
Thank you so much.